the data you have in your application using the right data model. And obviously, in large applications, you will have different tables. Will have different data structures. You will have hash tables. You will have arrays. You will have objects which reference each other. You might even have graphs in this form. Now, the idea of polyglot persistence is that if you have a hash table, you use a key value store to persist it. If you have object data, you probably store it in the form of JSON documents. If you have a graph and references, then you store it as a graph or in a graph database. So the idea of polyglot persistence is that use the right data model for the right part. Obviously, you will immediately say, well, if I have such varied types of data in my application, then I suddenly need multiple data stores. So I need a graph database, I need a document store, I need a key value store, and whatever. Therefore, there are problems with polyglot persistence. And this is illustrated in this use case here. So it's a classical one, but nevertheless it holds. For example, in an online shop, what kind of data would you have there? You would have your customer data, which probably would be stored well in a relational database in tables. You have product data. Here you immediately notice that for different products, think of Amazon, you might have to store very different data about each product. So therefore, there's probably more a document store. Now, a shopping cart is a natural case for a key value lookup, because all you need to do to display the shopping cart is to quickly look up the contents by the session ID. Then order and sales data. Well, it somehow links customers and products